Hello, my dear children. Very good morning to all of you. Once again, I welcome you to ninth standard second language English. So, yesterday we started supplementary reading number 3, Ranji's Wonderful Bat. So, let's know, before going to start today's class, let's know what we discussed yesterday. Right? As we discussed yesterday, a cricket match was going between Ranji's school team. Yes, our hero is Ranji, right? Ranji's school team and the visiting team. This match, in this match, Ranji had a great opportunity, right? He had a good chance to make a good score and prove what he was, right? He had a great chance because the team has got 4 wickets. So, if you stand well, he may make a good score, but he was out for 0. But he did not make any score in the match. At last, Ranji's team, who was the captain of the school team? Yes, Surat, right? So the team, Ranji school team, lost the game. After this, Ranji became very upset. He was very upset. He was going homewards by blowing down his head. Right? Bowing down his head. He is going homeward. So, usually while going home, right? Usually, what Ranji is going to do? So while going home on his way, every day he has to cross Mr. Kumar's shop. What kind of shop it is? Sports shop. Mr. Kumar's sports shop. So every day he has to cross Kumar's sports shop. While crossing, he used to enter into sports shop, used to visit a sports shop and talking with Mr. Kumar, the owner of the shop. He used to talk with him, and what he usually do, he used to see all the sport articles, right? All the sports articles which were kept or arranged on the shelves. Right? That is very beautiful to see in sports. If he was a sportsman, it was very attractive thing to see the sport articles in the sports shop. So this was usually what Ranji do. But on the day when he lost the game, when they lost the game, he did not stop at Kumar's shop. He is moving, he is going, looking at the other side. When at the time of crossing the road, so he was called by Mr. Kumar. He was called by Mr. Kumar. Hello Ranji, he asked him. Right? He called him and asked him why he was so sad. Yake tumba besagondiddiya Ranji? Have you lost the game? You match ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೋತ್ರೆ? Have you lose the game today? Have you lost the game today? Do you lose the game today? So in this way, Mr. Kumar asked Ranji by calling him, hello Ranji, when Ranji did not stop as usual. So up to this we discussed yesterday. Let's continue it today. Mr. Kumar who is Mr. Kumar? He was the owner of the shop and he had been a state level cricket player. Once he had scored a century in a match against Tanzania. But this day was when he did not feel like stopping. He looked the other way and was about to cross the road when Mr. Kumar's voice stopped him. Hello Ranji, why are you looking so sad? Lost the game today. So I hope we discussed yesterday up to this. Ranji felt better as soon as he was inside the shop. When Ranji entered the shop, he felt better before that, right? ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಗ ವೆನ್ he entered the shop became little bit cheerful. Yes, we lost the match, he replied. Ranji replied to Mr. Kumar, yes, we lost the match. ಹೌದು, ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸೋತ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. So Ranji replied to Mr. Kumar. Now see what is Mr. Kumar is going to do with Ranji. Never mind, as the captain said. Right? Before, what the captain said, shall I remember those words? Never mind, said Suraj, patting Ranji on the back. Right? In the same way, Mr. Kumar is also doing the same thing. Never mind. This is called encouragement. Right? If you want to encourage somebody, you have to tell like this. Never mind. Never mind. Don't worry. Don't think about this. That means, said Mr. Kumar, what would we do without losers? Hey. ಸೋಲೋರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಗೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ. ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲೂಸರ್ಸ್? ನೋಡಿ, ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗೇಮ್, ರೈಟ್, ಆಟ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವು ಇದ್ದಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಲೂಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ. ಸೋಲೋರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋಕೆ ಆಗೋದು, ಗೆಲ್ಲೋರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಸೋಲೋದು ಸಿಗೋದು. ರೈಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲೂಸರ್ಸ್? ಎನಿವೇ, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್? Hey Ranji, how many runs did you make? Kumar asked Ranji. ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ರನ್ ನೋಡಿದಪ್ಪ ರಂಜಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್, ನೋ ಸ್ಕೋರ್, ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಗ್. Look at this. How Ranji is telling to Mr. Kumar, a big round egg. Egg here refers to 0. He had scored nothing. Duck out ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. In cricket language it is called duck out, 0. I haven't made, look at here, have not, have plus not. Right, it is written like this, haven't. It is written in short form. So we are going to use this kind of words, short forms, while making question tag. Right, while writing question tags, they are using this kind of short forms. Hasn't, haven't, wasn't, aren't, hadn't, couldn't. Right? Shall not become shalln't, no, shan't. Right? None, a big round head. I have not made a good score in my last 3 matches. Oh, look at here. How Ranji is reporting to Mr. Kumar, I have not made a good score in last 3 matches. From the last 3 matches what I had played, I did not make any score in all the 3 matches. ಕಳೆದ 3 ಪಂದ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. I will be dropped from the team if I don't do something in the next game. Look at what he is telling. As his captain told Mr. Ranji, right? ರಂಜಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟೀಮ್. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ವೆಲ್, ರೈಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಮ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್. ರೈಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟೀಮ್. ತಂಡದಿಂದ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೈ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Well, look at it, how he is supporting Ranji. Well, we can't have that happening. Can't. Cannot. Cannot. Written in short form. Can't. Can't. We can't have that happening. Agago bidalla navu. Agago bidal beda navu. We can't have that happening, said Mr. Kumar. Something will have to be done about it. Something will have to be done about it. ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ don't have, we can't have that happening. Right? If we try, that is not going to be happen. Right? Something we are going to do. Right? I am just unlucky, said Ranji. So while Mr. Kumar is encouraging Ranji, disappointingly Ranji is reporting Mr. Kumar, I am just unlucky. Here we got Just takes the prefix unjust. Right? In the same way, lucky, unlucky. Lucky, unlucky. I am just unlucky, said Ranji. Lucky, unlucky. ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ದುರದೃಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನನಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ದುರದೃಷ್ಟ ನಂದು, ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ನಾನು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅನ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಲಕ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಅನ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಸೆಡ್ ರಂಜಿ. ಮೇ ಬಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ it's time your luck changed. Look at here how Mr. Kumar is trying to convince Ranji, and on the other hand how he is supporting, how he is encouraging Ranji to come again to play cricket well. Right? This is what the teachers, how they are encouraging their students to study well or to change their attitudes towards their studies. Right? Maybe, but in that case, it's time your luck change. Agirbodu maybe. In that case, it's time your luck change. Hey Ranji, adu avag agirbodu. Now, your luck may be changed. Right? Iga, nina adrushta badalaಗಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಅವಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಈಗ ಬದಲಾಗಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Now it may be changed. Mr. Kumar saying these words to Ranji, Mr. Kumar began looking closely like this in his shop. Mr. Kumar began past tense, present tense, past tense. Began. Mr. Kumar began looking closely at a number of old cricket bats. What he is trying to look at? He's trying to look at the old cricket bats. ಹಳೆಯ cricket ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಗಳ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. And after a few minutes, he said, after looking for a few minutes, he said, yes. Look at it. There is an exclamation mark is there. Children, look at it. What it is? Exclamatory mark. It's an exclamatory word. What is exclamatory? Right? We use this exclamatory mark in exclamatic sentences. This word, interjection, what we call in parts of speech, interjection. This mark indicates this is exclamatory sentence, because it's an exclamatory mark used in exclamatory sentence. But what this word? What kind of parts of speech it is? Ha, hey, hurrah, alas. And these words, what? They are interjection. What is interjection? In parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. The eighth one, right? What is interjection? It is a word, right? It is a word. Ha, hey, hurrah, like this. Hey, alas. Right? It is a word which express the sudden feelings of the mind. Hey, like this. Oh, sudden feelings of the mind. The word which expresses sudden feelings of the mind, that is called to be an interjection. When he looked at the bat, right? He said, and he picked up one of the bats. There are so many bats. He picked up one of them, and he held it out to Ranji. Ranji, take this, right? He held it out to Ranji. This is it, he said. Just imagine, this is a bat, right? He gave it to Ranji. This is it, he said. This is the luckiest of all my world bats. Look at here. What Mr. Kumar is telling Ranji, this is the luckiest bat. The luckiest. ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡಿರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದೆ. This is the luckiest of all my old bats. ನನ್ನ ಹಳೆಯ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಅದೃಷ್ಟದ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದು. This is the bat I made a century with. This is the bat I made a century with. That means what Mr. Kumar is telling, with the help of this bat I made a century against Tanzania, right? He held it out to Ranji. So he held it out to Ranji. Ranji, take this bat. This is the bat I made with the help of this I made a century. Here, take it. You take it. I will lend it to you for the rest of the cricket season. ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ತಗೋ. With the help of this bat, you play for the rest of the cricket matches. You won't fail with it. You won't fail with it. ನೀನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, if you play with this bat, you are not going to become fail. Look at the words of Mr. Kumar. Right? What he is trying to do? He is trying to encourage. He is trying to encourage Ranji to play well in the coming soon matches. He is feeling confidence in. When do players fail? When do players fail? When they lose their confidence. That is most important thing, especially in cricket. If they have confidence, they would play well. If they lost the confidence, they are going to be not play well. That is Mr. Kumar what he is doing. You won't fail with it. Look at this word. Ranji, if you play with this bat, you are not going to fail in the coming soon matches. Ranji took the bat and gazed. Look at, again I am telling you, imagine it is a bat. Ranji took the bat and gazed with it. Gaze means looked fixedly. This in order like this, right? Gazed at it with awe and delight. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ was awe and delight, with very happy. He was very happy when Ranji got this bat. He became very happy with the delight and awareness. He was looking at the bat. Is it really the bat you made a century with? He asked. He refers to Ranji asked. Ranji again asked Mr. Kumar. He wants to confirm. Is it really the bat you made a century with? With this bat you made a century? He is asking Mr. Kumar ಅವರೇ, ಇದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದು? Yes, century in the first 100 runs, right? It is. They said Mr. Kumar, it may get you 100 runs too. Right? How he is supporting, how he is encouraging. It may get you 100 runs too. Right? It given me 100 runs, right? In the same way, it may too give you 100 runs. ನಿನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್. How he is encouraging. In the previous class, in the beginning I told, if any person or any player wants to achieve or wants to be success, he wanted to become success, he need two things. The first one is encouragement and the second one is confidence. The encouragement, what Mr. Kumar is doing. Ide protsaha andre Kumar ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ರಂಜಿಗೆ, this is called encouragement, ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ. ಓದಲು ಮಗನೇ, ನಾನಿದೆ, ನೀನು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ ತಂದುಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿನಗೆ ಇದೆ ಕಣ ತಾಕತ್ತು, ನೀನು ಓದ್ತೀಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ನೀನು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. ಈ ಥರದ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಏಯ್ ನೀನು ತಟ್ಟ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ ಅವ್ನು ಅಡ್ಡನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ನಿನಗೂ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಕಣು, ನೀನು ಓದ್ತೀಯ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ in them by encouraging words. Right? This is what Mr. Kumar is doing to Mr. Ranjit. Ranjit spent a nervous week waiting for Saturday's match. The coming Saturday, there is going to be a match, right? So he has to spend 1 week. Up to Saturday, he has to wait. A nervous week. He's waiting. He's waiting. When will Saturday come? Right? Nervous week. He asked Koki within that period, spending 1 week. He asked Koki. Another character comes up here. Koki. The girl next door, right? Koki, to bowl him in the garden. To bowl him in the garden. So he has to practice for a week, right? What she want? He alone he cannot practice. Somebody must there to throw the ball or to bowl, right? So that is what Ranjit do. He asked Koki, right, to bowl in the garden. Koki bowled quite well. She bowled quite well. At last Saturday arrived. Right? Saturday arrived. Bright and sunny. Bright and sunny. The environment is very fine. The atmosphere is suitable to play cricket. Just right for cricket. Everything was right for cricket match. Suraj, the captain of Ranji's school team, right? Ranjiya Tandada Nayaka yaru? Suraj have won the toss. So before going to start the match, the umpire is going to make a toss. Right? In every game, referee is going to make a toss. After that, the captain who is going to win the toss, he will be asked, what do you want? You bat first or field first? Right? Suraj won the toss for the school and decided to bat first. What did Suraj decide? The school team captain won the toss on a ಗೆಲ್ತಾನೆ Suraj, and he decided to bat first. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The opening batsman, as I told, 2 batsmen will come to bat first. They are called openers. Arambika Dhandigaru, right? Opening batsman put on 30 runs. They made 30 runs. They made 30 runs without being separated. Right? The openers, they made 30 runs. No wicket. Loss of 0 wickets. They made 30 runs. The team made 30 runs. The visiting fast bowlers could not do much. Oh, one thing I want to tell you again. In bowlers, we have 2 categories. Maybe 3. Fast bowlers, they come with long distance and throw the ball very fast. They are called fast bowlers. Some bowlers take a short distance, little medium distance, and bowl normally. They are called medium fast bowlers. And some bowlers, they are spinners. Off spin, leg spin. Right? They take a short distance like this. Right? They will take short distance. The fast bowlers, for these opening batsmen, the opposite visiting team, fast bowlers, they could not do much. They couldn't get wickets. Then the spin bowlers came on. When the fast bowlers could not take wickets, when they are not able to take wickets, the captain of the opposite team, visiting team captain, then the spin bowlers, he introduced spin bowlers. Fast bowlers ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, spin, they spins the ball, they turns the ball, right? ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಅವರು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ತಿರುಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾಲ್ನ, ರೈಟ್? ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ rather than fast bowlers like our Anil Kumble, right? Australian Shane Warne, they are great spin bowlers. Then what did the captain do? He introduced spin bowlers. Spin bowlers came on and immediately there was a change in the game. When the visiting team captain introduced spin bowlers, there is immediate change in the game. ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂತೆ ಆಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತದೆ. 2 wickets fell in 1 over. A over consists of 6 balls. A bowler will throw 6 balls as an over. ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಸೆತಗಾರ ಬೌಲರ್ 6 ಬಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಎಸೆತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು 1 ಓವರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿತಿನ್ 1 over 2 wickets. The Suraj team, Ranji's team lost 2 wickets. 2 wickets fell in a over when the captain introduced spin bowlers. And the score was 33-0. Then when the spin bowlers came, still when the fast bowlers are bowling, the team had 30 runs without loss. But when the spin bowlers came, suddenly there is immediate change took place in the game. Within a over, 2 wickets fell down and the team score is 33 for loss of 2 wickets. And the score was 33 for 2. Suraj made a few quick runs. When Suraj came, captain of the school team, he made few quick runs. Even though he made few quick runs, so ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ರನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ, then he too was out to one of the spinners. ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನರ್ ಬೌಲರ್ಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. He too became out for the spinners. Now the spinners had made a great turn in the match. Caught behind the wickets. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೀಪರ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. And it was Ranji's turn. After Suraj, now whose turn now? ಈಗ ಯಾರ ಸರ್ತಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರೋದು? Now it's Ranji's turn to come and bat. Right? Now see what Ranji will do. He had a new bat now. Even though it is old of Mr. Kumar, for him it's a new bat. You know that with the help of this bat, Mr. Kumar had made a century. He told him that this bat will too give you a century. ಈ ನಿನಗೂ ಕೂಡ 100 ರನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾರು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. Now it's Ranji's turn. He walked slowly to the wicket. The bowler took a short run. As a spinner, they take short run. Fast bowlers, long run. And then the ball was twirling. Twirling means it is turning. Twirling. Coming towards Ranji. ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಯಾರ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು? ರಂಜಿ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. He walked slowly to the wicket. The bowler took a short run and then the ball was twirling towards Ranji. Ranji was getting ready to face the ball. The ball is coming twirling towards Ranji. Now what is going to do Ranji? Crack! You got it? Crack! Like this. Crack! The ball hit firmly with the middle of Ranji's bat. Right? If you imagine it is a bat, this is the middle of the bat. Right? These are called edges. If the ball touch with these edges, it is going to be caught. The player is going to be caught out by some fielders. Right? If it touches the middle of the bat, it will get force. Right? When Ranji hit the ball, right? What the author is telling, crack. When somebody shots hard, that is called to be a crack. The ball hit firmly into the middle of Ranji's bat. Ranjiಯ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿನ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ತಗುಲಿದೆ. Streaked past the helpless bowler and sped towards the boundary. when it hit hard, it crossed the boundary line. He sent the fielders scampering to all corners of the field. Look at here, what Ranji is doing. He is making magic with the new bat. He sent the fielders scampering to all the corners of the field. Players ನೋಡಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳಿಗೂ ಓಡಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋನು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ he played very well towards all the corners of the field. 20 minutes after lunch. So here we can get two opposite words. Begin. Opposite word. End. Aramba. Muktaya. Begin. End. No. K-N-O-W. No. Past tense. New. No. Present tense. New. Past tense. And that was only the beginning. So Ranji got 4 runs with the first shot. 4 runs. And that was only the beginning. Beginning means Aramba. Idinu Arambhavagittu. Now Ranji began to play all the strokes he knew. He sent the fielders scampering to all corners of the field. Ella fieldergallannu dikkapara madibita. Playing all the strokes, all the corners of the ground. 20 minutes after lunch, 20 ನಿಮಿಷಗಳು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, right? Lunch break. When Suraj closed the innings, right? 20 minutes after lunch ಆದಮೇಲೆ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಟ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. After lunch, for how much time the game continues? For 20 minutes. After that, Suraj closed the innings. The captain of the team is going to announce, we are closing innings. Ranji was not out with 58 runs. Look at here. Ranji was 58, not out. Out ಆಗದೇನೆ 58 ರನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ. And Ranji School won the match. As it is a test match, the innings was closed by the captain of the school team. When Ranji was not out with 58 runs, and lastly they won the match. A match na ಗೆದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. What a luck Ranji had with the new bat and with the words of Mr. Kumar. How he encouraged Ranji to play well in this match. So I hope this is enough for today's class. Right? I hope you understood the today's paragraphs very well. My dear children, you go through the text and try to understood the lesson or understand the lesson. Okay? Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.